Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mohammed with Vantage Realty Professionals at Keller Williams South Park. I am here at my newest listing at 14321 Springwater Drive in Matthews, North Carolina. With the continued efforts to curb the spread of the coronavirus, my team and I wanted to ensure that everyone had a safe and easy way to view a home before ultimately deciding whether or not to schedule a tour in person. So with that being said, let's get you in here and see what this beautiful home has to offer. If you liked what you saw and you care to see more, feel free to give me a call at 336-302-3320. Either myself or one of my business partners will be more than happy to schedule a private showing for you and your family to get a closer look. As always, have a great day and please stay safe out there.